Hello, my YouTube family. I hope you are doing so well. It's your girl. I'm here again, and today I'll be showing you this two-bedroom apartment that is currently vacant. It's actually a two-bedroom apartment, but it can also serve as a three-bedroom apartment. This is what it looks like outside. So let's go inside to see what it looks like. As soon as you step into the house, so on the left hand side there's a door that leads to the first sitting room, which can also be used as the third bedroom. So this apartment before used to be a shared apartment. The landlord used to rent it out to different tenants, but now he wants to rent out the whole apartment as one. So if you want to rent out the apartment to someone else, someone can just take this room, and everything that you're seeing in the video comes with the room, the central rug, the curtain, and everything is new. So this small space can be used as a storage for anyone. The landlord is still working on the place, that's why he has some things in there. And just beneath it, that's where we have the meter. But you can just use this room as either a sublet or a living room or just anything you want it to be. So as soon as you open the door, you go back, the door leads you back to the walkway, and the walkway leads to the living room. That's the second living room. So this is the second living room. I mean, everywhere is neat, trust me. I'm not doing any advert. I'm not going to gain anything from this apartment if it's rented by anyone, but this looks neat. I'm trying to capture the whole place so that I can be able to have a view of what it looks like. But I think, I don't know, is this actually doing justice? But if you just look at it, I mean, you will see that it looks so neat. And everything you're seeing in there comes with the apartment. I love the mirror, I love the choice of wallpaper, the center rug, the fireplace, the way it's looking so nice and neat. Trust me, I don't want to be talking too I don't want to talk too much so that it doesn't look as if I'm advertising the place. But when I came into this apartment, like, it really looks so neat. So this staircase actually leads to the rooms upstairs. But before we go to the rooms, let's see the kitchen. This is the kitchen. So as soon as you exit the living room I just showed you now, directly straight is the kitchen. And from the kitchen you get to a door that leads to the garden, or I don't know if I can call it the garden because it's not a big space, but it's not bad too. You can spread clothes there, and you can have like a one seater and all that. Then from that space you lead to the utility room. Let me just put it that way. A place where you can have your washing machine, and it's got some storage up there where you can store things. And from there you have a toilet. So peradventure, if you decide to rent out the house to someone else, at least the person can be using the toilet downstairs. And if you are downstairs, you don't have to go upstairs. So back to the utility room, you can put your washing machine there. The house does not come with a washing machine, but that's the space for washing machine. And let me see if I can be able to capture this also very well. So the house is actually having so many corners, windows, and all that, so it makes it a bit difficult for me to capture it holistically. But let me just try my best to give you the view of this utility room. So you can see opposite it there's a storage, and even above also there's a storage. And then this is the space for fridge, and above the fridge too there's storage. So this house has a lot of storage. I don't know, like, a lot of storage is there. So there's a microwave there. You can see that the tiles in the kitchen is neat. Like, I'm kind of loving this place though it's not that kind of big space that I would have loved, but this is not bad. I mean, it's neat, it's got a lot of storage. So if you want to share the room, I mean the apartment, with somebody else, you have storages, enough storages to share between yourself or amongst yourself, depending on the number of people that wants to rent the apartment. So now going upstairs, on the first right door, that door leads to the first room. As a family, this can be a guest room, and guess what? This is a good space because you see where the bed and the drawer is. It can take a double bed, and double bed is even, it's, I mean, it's good for a couple. So this room is big, and if you look at it, even with the double bed taking that space, you still have space for wardrobe. Let me try to capture the room very well too. I think you can see it this way. What's this girl looking for now? And the curtain is also new. I mean, everywhere just looks so sparkling. And funny enough, the landlord is actually still working on this apartment though. I don't even understand what he's still working on, because the place looks ready for me. I mean, really ready. So this is the wardrobe that is inside, not that big. Okay, he still got his stuff inside. As I said, he's still working on the place. So now once you step out of that room, then it leads to the toilet and bathroom. I mean, this is looking so nice. Are you not loving it? Are you not loving the view? The only thing is that it's small. I don't like the size. So that's the toilet, which is the second toilet. You know, we saw one toilet downstairs, and it's quite neat. So it was newly renovated. I love the lightning that is under the bath. You know, when you just come in, you soak yourself in the bath, put off the light. Okay, so this is the other room. That's like the master's bedroom. So as soon as you step out of the toilet, it leads to the master's bedroom. So you can see this is a good space too, which is even bigger than the first room that I showed to you. It's got a wardrobe, and the house actually comes with the wardrobe. These days you hardly see houses that have wardrobe, and this one even have lights in it. I think this landlord just likes lights because he keeps putting lightning everywhere. I love the wallpaper. You also have some storage just up there too as well, where you can be able to store some things. It also have some other side drawers as well, and it comes with the bed, though there's no mattress on it. But that means anybody who is going to rent this apartment will need to buy a mattress. And if you like the bed, yeah, you keep it. If you don't like it, then you chuck it, and then you buy another mattress. And they still have some side drawers. I think storage and lightning is something that this landlord likes a lot, because I'm seeing a lot of storages and also lightning around. And this drawer actually kind of aligns. I like the design with the wardrobe. I think this is the view from outside, so it's not bad. It's kind of big. I mean, you can always rearrange it the way you like anyway. So um I'm not the only one viewing this apartment currently. So and that's why you can see some people working in it. But the landlord actually told me about the place, and I said that okay, let me come and view it. So if anybody is interested, you just let me know. The good thing is it's still working on the place, so you still have enough time per adventure if you are anywhere in Manchester or you want to rent in Manchester. Okay, look at the living room now. So this is the living room. I think this one is well captured, so it can give you an idea of what it looks like. Right, I'm just loving this place. Don't you just love the view? I don't really like the I mean, it's a bit small, but not bad, you know. And the fact that I can even rent this room out, or I can share with somebody. So if you're interested, just let me know. Yes, guys, so another update before I go. So now you can follow me on WhatsApp. I've just created my channel on WhatsApp, and it's also the same name, Talk to Baby. I will add the link in the description box below so that you can click on it and join me, so that anytime I post any new information, it's easier for you to get it. Even once you're on WhatsApp, you can view it. There can be some quick information. It doesn't have to be a long video or anything like that. And the good thing is that your profile is protected, your phone number is protected, so you are not visible to other followers or even myself. But we can always have interaction, except if I have your contact already. So this is the new thing, guys. Let's interact more. I can't wait to meet you guys on WhatsApp. So talk to you soon. All right, bye for now.